Hi, today we will discuss how to foster circularity within open data ecosystems by aligning private values to data and value contribution. But first, we have to define circularity. In a linear open data ecosystem, producers create value, which users then capture. Meanwhile, in a circular ecosystem, all actors are able to capture and create value simultaneously. Our first question to answer is, who are the users of open data? Users can be separated into citizens, governments, non-profit organizations, and commercial organizations, each of them having different needs. The current open data paradigm can be defined as linear, with no feedback mechanisms. Therefore, the question to foster circularity would be, how can users of open data not only utilize value, but also contribute back to the ecosystem? We will look at a case study to understand the topic with an example of how users of open data deliver back to the ecosystem. OpenStreetMap is the most extensive crowdsourced geographical database of the world. It all started with volunteer individuals who contributed data by surveying their local area. As time passed, it became a global movement, with contributions from all corners, effectively creating a more diverse and detailed geographical representation of our world. In recent years, edits from organizational actors have gained more traction, with non-profit organizations, especially in the humanitarian realm, governments, and for-profit corporations, contributing to a map that goes beyond local knowledge. This diversity is also reflected in an ecosystem of tools built around the database, catering to everything from personalized map visualization and routing to data contribution. This is also complemented by an ecosystem of communities, each with its goals, area covered, and work domain, effectively making OpenStreetMap impact go beyond a simple database. We interviewed 25 for-profit companies that contribute to OpenStreetMap, asking how and why they contribute. The result was a mixture of home private values and social public values. The most mentioned motivation overall is to improve the data quality. Companies use OpenStreetMap to enrich the services they offer to their clients. It is therefore in the company's best interest to improve OpenStreetMap's data and keep it of high quality. Another greatly mentioned private value motivation, which relates to the previous one, is to align with one's own dataset. The second most mentioned motivation overall is to build a community. Communities of mappers are essential to maintaining data sustainability in the OpenStreetMap project. Companies help by setting up events with local communities or kickstarting communities within the company's domain. Finally, being grateful and wanting to give back are motivations mentioned by several interviewees too. OpenStreetMap creates a space where companies' contributions can benefit their business models, while at the same time creating value and benefiting the whole ecosystem. Different users have different needs and goals. In the case of companies, one of their goals is to give good quality services to their clients. Aligning them to data contribution can enable a circular ecosystem, leaving behind the linear paradigm. In the case of OpenStreetMap, companies are not only users of the data, but also contribute to it. This ensures good quality data for a company's services and keeps OpenStreetMap's open data improved and its communities more engaged, making it a win-win situation. Finally, other users of the platform can also benefit from the engagement created and see the potential in aligning their own needs and goals to ensure project sustainability.